everyone, welcome back. Today we are making Danish butter cookies. Boy, as we're entering into the festive season, we are always interested in all those sweets, cookies, you name it. But we're making this Danish cookies with a difference. We are not going to make it with sugar. As you all know, I do not make anything with regular sugar unless if it is absolutely necessary. Usually when I'm making whipped cream or something. Today we are going to make some of my favorite Danish cookies. To start with, we have 113 grams of softened, unsweetened. Look at that. This is just soft, but we're gonna put it in there. This is room temperature butter. It's not cold and it is not runny. We have 35 grams of Monk 0-calorie sweetener, which we're going to add this, and we are going to cream this. We're doing everything by hand. Let's plug this in. And we are going to start this on very low. You want to make sure that everything is incorporated. You want to whip it until it is nice and creamy and lighter in color. Then we're going to add 1 room temperature egg. Then we'll mix. Then we'll scrape the bowl. And then we're going to add a tablespoon of homemade vanilla extract. And then we mix. Now we add 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and half a teaspoon of Kosher salt. We're gonna mix it a little bit so that we do not get ourselves in a bed of flour. And we mix, starting slow. We do not want to mix it too much, and this is the right consistency. We want to make sure that we get all of this out. This is all mixed. So what we're going to do is to pipe it into a bag, because we're going to create different shapes. Next, we want to make sure there are no air bubbles. So you can literally use your hand, and then we want to cut this open a little bit, and then allow it and push it down, ensuring that there is no air bubble. And we'll tie it, or you can clip it. Next, we are going to get the second bag that we already have open start tip, and we're going to pipe this in through it. So next, what we're going to do is to make the shapes that we want. We have finished creating our shapes. We are going to bake it at 350 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes till golden brown. 15 minutes has gone by. The timer has gone off of the oven, so let's go and get these out. Wow, look at that. These smell amazing. We are going to allow them to cool down before we can taste them. So some of them you can see have brown and a lighter color. Some are a lot darker. So it all depends on what you prefer. I like them darker. Some people like theirs lighter. You could add a little bit of chocolate on some of these, either white chocolate or dark chocolate. So I'm going to decorate some of these with white chocolate on top and just let it melt, and we can add some dark chocolate and some of these. What I'm going to do is to leave them and just press it down till it gets incorporated in it, just like that. It's going to use the heat, and we're going to let them cool down before we can do a taste test. The cookies have cooled down. Look at that. Amazing. Now we are going to do a taste test. Let's take that. And look, they snap really easily. When the bottom is brown and the top is a little light, that's when you know that the cookies are ready and they can snap easily. Just the right amount of crunchiness and softness inside, and the right amount of sweetness for me. Boy, this is so good. I doubt if this is going to last today. You can put some sugar crystals on it to get the sugar crystal one, but I just love them like this. This is amazing. This is a nice homemade Danish butter cookies that you can use for afternoon tea, a snack, make it healthy, and then send the kids out to school with it. Or just enjoy them during the Christmas season. No need to buy the store-bought ones. This is so easy to make. It does not take any time at all. Anyone can do that. This should be a fun project to do at home with kids. Anyhow, if this video has been of value to you, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. This is Dr. Okeke. Thank you and God bless.